Hello and welcome back to Children's Reading Cove. Today we are going to learn about the letter V. And guess what? It makes the sound V. It is a lip cooler, a noisy lip cooler. Do you remember? F is a quiet lip cooler. Is a lip cooler, but it is noisy because my voice box is turned on when I make it. That's the only difference. Brother and sister, f and v, they are made in the same place in your mouth. All right, we'll put the quiet one away. It's time for the noisy one to play. V. Your front teeth rest gently on your bottom lip and you blow. V. Let's see if we can find some words that begin with the V sound. Oh, I see something that begins with V. Volcano. Oh, I love to learn about volcanoes. Here we go. V. Va-va-voom. Va-va-voom, said the volcano. View the vast vapor over the volcano. The lava paves over it. It is like an oven. It is very, very hot. There's our volcano. Very, very hot. Now go ahead and find some things in your home that have the V sound in them. And we'll see you back here on Children's Reading Cove in no time. Bye-bye.